Meet a new kind of matte, rich, whipped, and won't suck the life out of your lips. Oh, so good. I love that she's actually put this in here because that's what we all worry about, right? Like literally any liquid lipstick I try, majority of you guys will message saying, does it dry the lips out though? And we're back with another educational beauty video. I'm Nina Ubhi and I'm a professional makeup artist. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of unboxing. It's a bit fun today because I haven't actually seen these, like what's inside these packages. It's beauty PR packages that have been sent to me and it's all about first impressions. So I am going to be just as surprised as you guys are. Now, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so please head over there, hit follow and show your support there too. Now let's jump straight into the video. So this video is going to be a little bit fun for you, isn't it? So we're going to be unboxing beauty PR packages and it is first impression. So I haven't opened up these boxes at all. I don't know what's in them. One of them is a kind of bag. So I kind of like know there's something gold in there. I kind of am guessing because I know like the name is on the bag, but you know, the others I haven't opened at all. So this is really me opening up my PR boxes with you so you guys can see what I've received. We'll have a look at what they look like, possibly try some, see what it's like. And yeah, I guess let's get started. Now the first one is this bag here. This is from Apotheca Beauty and they are basically like a beauty brand store that hold various different brands. So they hold more like kind of either niche brands or brands which are difficult to get hold of here in the UAE. And they are online as well. So they have a store online and they also have a couple of stores, like physical stores as well, which I absolutely love Apotheca Beauty. I was right. I kind of guessed this must have been Hourglass because that's one of the brands they hold. So they've sent over this box and basically you kind of like, let's open this up. Open this up. I don't know what's in here. There you go. We've got lipsticks in here. These are the new unlocked satin cream lipsticks and it's basically hydrating, soothing. They're 21 high impact shades and it says the transformative nourishing formula delivers instant impact in a single swipe. The innovative lipstick makes an impact with a cutting edge vegan formula that supports animal welfare with a 5% donation to the Non-Human Rights Project. That's great. Yeah, I mean, obviously I always love the beauty campaigns from Hourglass. They're just so flawless and glossy. Right, so let's have a look. So they're 21 shades. We've got 10 here. So I want to see what these are like. One of them is red, so I'm wondering what this is in comparison to the others. Oh, well, it's red. That's like a deep red. I don't know why this is actually red in comparison to the others. Like, I don't know what the difference is unless this is like the key color from the whole collection. It's called Red O. So let me just show you what this looks like. It's a really nice red, right? It's quite deep. There are various different colors. Let me go through all of them with you. I want to show you all of them. I'm just going to like speed through this because otherwise we're going to be here forever. So yeah, first one, which is starting with Lynx and clockwise. So those are all of the colors. I have kind of decided I'm going to try on this one. This one is Oasis 312 and it's just kind of a good everyday cut. Oh, it's very smooth. I didn't think I was going to like the lipsticks because I thought they're lipsticks and I'm kind of used to like liquid lipsticks and like lip souffles and stuff, but it feels like a lip souffle. You know the Rare Beauty lip souffle? That's what this feels like on the lips. It's super comfortable, but it's a lipstick. What do you think of this color? And by the way, they're right. That was one little swipe, or like, you know, dabbing. That was very minimal. And it kind of spread over the whole lip. Feels creamy, feels satiny, kind of. Like not so creamy, more satiny. And not drying at all. It feels really hydrating. And it feels kind of cushiony, if that makes sense. I really like it. Okay, I really like it. That's the first one. Moving on to the second package. Now I have my scissors ready because I haven't actually opened these packages, so I don't know what they are. So let's kind of open this up. Ooh, Fenty. Okay, so we've got a Fenty beauty box. I wonder what this is. I'm trying to think what there is coming out that it could be. What is it? Oh, the new Fenty Icon. Lipsticks again. Hey boo, we are excited to share with you new shades Fenty Icon semi-matte refillable lipstick, captivating color, velvety wear, universal red shades for all. Danger Dancer, Frequent Flyer. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. Kissin' Cutie. And new Fenty Icon, the Case semi-matte refillable lipstick, red edition. We can't wait to see your looks. Oh, okay. How stunning is this red lipstick? What she's got on. Oh my God, that looks so good. That's like my type of red. I hate like dark reds. I love like bright reds. And it's hard to get it for like brown skin. Okay. Yeah, this is looking good. Okay, Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Meet a new kind of matte, rich, whipped, and won't suck the life out of your lips. Oh, so good. I love that she's actually put this in here because that's what we all worry about, right? Like literally any liquid lipstick I try, majority of you guys will message saying, does it dry the lips out though? I'm trying it, guys. I'm gonna try it. Okay, so let's see, what have we got in here? We've got the red edition Fenty refillable. Oh God, I forgot about that. It's the extra bit, isn't it? I'll have to get that later, but you know, it's a bit that it's the bit that goes at the end. Oh, look, they've put my initials on here. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. I was not expecting that. I honestly love it when I get stuff like this. I'm like, guys, it's just, you know, amazing. I love this. Oh, I love that. I've got my own initials on here. Okay. And then we've got like 3 lipsticks which can go in there. The ones that I mentioned, Danger Dancer, Kissin' Cutie, and Frequent Flyer. What is that girl wearing at the front? I need to know. Okay, front cover in the MVP. That must be the liquid one. I don't know which one I want to put in there yet. So I'm going to have to like leave that, put that aside, and then figure that out because it's just too overwhelming right now. Okay, so, I've got the MVP. Great. Okay, we've got 4 different shades in the liquid lipsticks. We've got Riri, HBIC, Breadwinner, and the MVP. I'm really tempted to try the MVP, but I also really want to try, I just want to try all of them. Okay, let me just have a look at what this looks like. So let's have a look at Riri. I'm assuming this is her like favorite. Let's try this. Just gonna take off what I had on. Just the center. I want to leave the lip pencil on. Oh, it's nice. It's like a slight mauve. Okay, the pigment is crazy. It's insane. Okay, so that is Riri. Obviously, you've got to keep it on to know, you know, like if it's drying, but that doesn't feel it. But then, you know, you don't know. What's HBIC? Let's see how brown this is. Oh, it's like a deep reddish brown. I'm not going to try that one on. Breadwinner is like brown. Breadwinner is like brown, brown, brown. Which actually looks really nice on. I'm not going to do that right now. What I am going to do is try that red. Because I can't help myself. One thing I am waiting for is lip pencils by Fenty. Let's take this up. Okay, this colour stays on. By the way, it looks really nice if you do it, you know, like, it leaves like a stain. I'm really excited to try this lip color. Okay, this looks good. That's what it looks like. Very bright red. Okay. Ooh, I love it. I love it. This is like old school Ruby Woo, but better. Considering I don't have lip pencil on, I'm loving it. Guys, can we just take a moment for the MVP? It's killing it. It is. I love this lipstick and it looks even better on tan. It's making me love my tan skin. And that's saying something because at the moment, I've been freaking out because I'm overly tanned. Like, not because I'm dark, I love being dark, but because it kind of ruined my skin. And yeah, it's making me embrace the tan at the moment. Yeah, I love it. This is amazing. I'm going to keep this on until the next, you know, if there's any more lip stuff that I need to try. I am loving this. Oh, it's such a nice red. I can't stop looking at it. It's so good. Anyway, moving on to the next one. We are going to open this one up. Ooh, Charlotte Tilbury Face Architect highlighter. I would have really loved if they sent me those new bronzers because I really want to try them, but they didn't send them to me. But oh gosh, I literally nearly dropped it. But I appreciate the fact that they have sent me anything. Okay, this looks pretty. Okay. So Hollywood Beauty Glow Tricks. So she's got like a whole load of tricks there, which, you know, as a makeup artist, I know. But let's move on. We've got 2 highlighter shades. So basically this illuminates and blurs the skin like Hollywood lights. So you have a kind of warm one and a slightly lighter shade. So it says she's created a wardrobe of beauty lights to mimic how cameras and filters read the face and redirect light and attention to your best features. So it has light flex technology for a multi-dimensional glow, smoothing emollients. It's like satin finish, glides on, illuminates and blurs. And it says, you know, highlight, sculpt and lift, but that is all based on placement, not so much the product. But we all love Charlotte Tilbury. So, okay, this one is Gilded Glow and Moonlit Glow. Okay, so Moonlit Glow is this one here. And hopefully it's not too white, guys, because I feel like it's going to look a bit white on the camera because of all the lights. But it is pretty white. To be fair, it's not looking as white. It is white. It's super white. So that might be a little bit too white for me. Other one, however, is Gilded Glow. And it's kind of not as dark as I thought it was going to be. I actually thought it was going to be a lot darker, but it's not. So let me just apply this. So I'm going to just use my 134 brush from Zoeva. And I'm just going to apply this. Oh, it's a nice highlighter. Okay, I like it. I do like it. Oh, I really like it. It's super fine, so I like that. I mean, in terms of like making the face look a certain way, that's, like I said, all down to placement, yeah? So don't be like confused with that and think that, oh, you know, this is going to make me look more lifted. If you apply it in the right place, then yes, it will make you look lifted. But that's also a great product. Moving on to the next. I'm going to be honest, there are way more boxes, but I thought I'd split this video and like do some on a different video. Because otherwise, you know, you guys are just going to be like sitting here for ages. So I didn't want to like go crazy. But there's some really good ones for the next one that I do. Because I haven't looked inside the box, but it says the name outside and it says what it is. And I'm really excited about it. Loads of bubble wrap. I didn't realise I had red lipstick on my hand. Maybe I should kind of just... Oh, too late. It's everywhere. Okay. It's a really nice box from Makeup Forever. Oh, it slides open like this. Oh, these are the new HD Skin powder foundations. Awesome, right? Can't wait to look at this. They can't obviously try this, but this is a very heavy box. Okay, we've got how many shades in here? 8. I don't know how many there actually are, but let's talk through this. So, dear Nina, we know how much you love the Matte Velvet Powder Foundation, and now we are giving you an even better and improved formula that you'll be obsessed with, the new HD Skin Powder Foundation. You won't ever have to use a filter again. We hope you enjoy using it as much as our pros enjoyed creating it for you. I'm excited about this. I can't try this now, obviously, but there looks like some really nice deep colors, perfect for my tan right now. One swipe coverage, undetectable. Co-created with our pros, we introduce you to HD Skin Powder Foundation, 24 hours blurred and mattified complexion in just one swipe. Silky smooth powder formula syncs with the skin, offering an all-day comfortable wear, a long and true to skin finish. Hashtag focus on me. Okay, this is good. I am pretty excited about this because maybe I'll do like a powder foundation video for you guys. I mean, I always love the packaging. It's like they match the packaging to the shade. Looks good. Let me show you. I mean, I love it. I just love the packaging. That's the packaging. And then you've got like, you know, okay, let me take this one out because I feel like this might be me at the moment. Yeah. Okay. I can't try this now. But this is also something I'm super excited about trying. I'm definitely going to be trying this in a tutorial. So maybe there's something you guys want to see. So, you know, let me know. And then, you know, maybe we can kind of like do a look using these because I can't use both of the lipsticks in one look. But tell me in the comments below if there's a specific look you want to see with any of these products because I'll be more than happy to create it for you guys. There's never a shortage of like ideas. Guys, does that even make sense, the way I said that? There's never a shortage of ideas. That doesn't sound right. Oh no, what I was trying to say, was you can never have enough ideas. That went totally wrong, didn't it? Okay, what I meant was you can never have enough ideas. So yeah, let me know in the comments box below what you guys want to see and I will recreate it for you. And yeah, I guess I'm going to head off now, wherever you guys are in the world. I'm sending you loads of love, good vibes, and I hope you have the best day ever. I really do hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you enjoyed the packages that we unboxed. If you do want to see more videos like this, then do let me know in the comments box below. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.